Let's start. Today we will learn about the pre tag. Pre means preformatted. This is our HTML code. Before we move further, let's understand a problem. I have written some text in a paragraph tag. As you can see, the text is written on separate lines, and there is a significant space between some words in this text. Let's run this code in the browser. As you can see, all the lines in the paragraph are written in a single line, and the space between the words is also gone. This is because the paragraph tag deletes extra spaces in the text, and it does not understand the line breaks also. So the solution for this problem is the pre tag. Pre means preformatted. As you can see, I have replaced the paragraph tag with the pre tag now. Let's run this code in a browser. And voila! All the text is formatted exactly as we intended. The pre tag persists the line breaks and the spaces in the text as it is. So that's it. That's how you can use the pre tag in HTML. Thank you.